is A10 and A9. Does that have no?
No, that's not. Let me see this one. What goes into the others?
Those are B4 and B3.
That's just straight little.
A1 and A2 should have been that.
That's A9. Got it.
The A10 side goes in.
Hmm? Got it.
Got it?
Yeah. It'll arrows show you which direction it goes.
Then A2 and B1 connect over there.
What's up? Let me see the picture.
Yeah, B3s go together. Oh, here's an A.
You got an A8.
An A2. No, okay. Here's B's though. Here's B1. B1 goes on the inside track.
Oh, thank you, sweetie.
That's A. I mean, that's definitely right. See? Perfect. It fits together.
Yeah, A8 and A8 go together.
Alright, so I'm missing
A7.
I'm missing an A8 to go in right here.
This is A8. No, you're not missing an A8.
Then this A9 should go into this A9, right?
Yeah. And then you've got A8 already connected.
That's not it.
Is that an A?
Here, let me get it on there first.
Is that A or? Yeah, that's
A9,
an
A9.
Okay.
Yeah. You sure that's not?
Hmm? I've got B's here and A's here. Here's A3. You're right, the A's one. There we go. It's just a fight to get them together. Here's A4. Do you have an A5?
Huh?
There you go.
But, yeah, I mean, really, I guess maybe it just wasn't made that perfectly. Oh, this was A8. Or A9.
So that's what attaches there.
A9, A8. Yeah, that's it. You're right.
And then
Sorry.
what is
I just took it off.
What is this part?
A6. This is A5.
I've got an A.
A6, I think.
Okay.
Yep, A6. Put those pieces together as we go.
This is the A5.
Anybody want
okay, you got it.
hamburgers warmed up or anything?
No, you got enough food going on. Alright, and here is the B.
Sure. B. Is there a
There's a
separate
B.
track?
See, that attaches there.
Gotcha.
Wait, make sure that's going into the A. I think the B part is the inside
You're right.
track.
A2? No.
And then B4.
Before what?
Oh.
Alright.
Alright, yeah, that goes in.
Into.
Where's what?
Let's start over here in that direction.
Wait, what is?
It's gotta go right here.
This is B4. B4 attaches in here.